Today we're gonna make something out of plywood. So I had the nice folks at Home Depot cut this plywood into more manageable size. Sheet goods! I'm super happy with the tattoos that I got. I'm able to measure and mark and measure things more accurately. I don't have enough measuring devices in my shop. I'm Mick Monterey on Mid-Century Builds. Amateurs. I'm Chris Salamander. And let's talk about design. So I was thinking what I would do with this project, and at first I was going to do a chair, and then I saw how many other people had made chairs, and I thought we should do something different. And I thought the shop doesn't have a trash can, so that's what we're going to make. So the first step would be to cut the pieces to width at the table saw. Then we do some mathematics. Then we do some more mathematics. Paul Jack Dude here. I know I've shown you how to break down pallets many times, but today there's something else that I'm going to show you that a lot of you need. Hey, we need to talk. I can't keep picking you up in dark alleys behind department stores. Look, I started working with S4S Lumber and I can't do this anymore. Don't get mad at me. You're a walking splinter transmitting device. Oh, that went well. G'day, Chris here, and welcome back to Escapement. In this episode, we'll be turning some mild steel into some gorgeous hardware for our project. Now, I know this may seem difficult if you don't have a mill or lathe, but with a shop file and some abrasive paper, and we'll be able to make this happen. Now, I know this only costs a few pennies at the store, but you just can't appreciate them until you've made them on your own. So the next step in the process is to sand this dowel. Actually, you don't want to sand a dowel on YouTube unless you want to get some interesting comments in the comments section. Now is a great time to thank sponsors of this week's video. Be sure to head over to my non-existent website on Rectangle Space, where you can get 10% off everything. Your friendly ghost mattress will help you get a great night's tiny fixture. Get a closer shave from the 100 Penny Shave Gang while you listen to a book read to you in your headphones. Hey everybody, I'm Dizzy, and what we're going to do, we're going to take this plywood and we're going to cut it into segments using nothing but this circular saw and this drill. Whoa, 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 whoa. What? Is that even safe? If you know what you're doing. And now we wait for the glue to dry. Hey everybody, Joker of Coincidence here, and today we're going to use this to melt some aluminum. Hi, I'm Crystal Banderson, and I hope this video has inspired you to work out your inner craftsperson. Oh, these are so hard! I needed to build a tool for this project, and I found this kitchen mixing device in the refuse pile down the street. And because the shaft is 28 millimeters and the gearing goes from 1 to 4 to 1 to 1,000,000, it is perfect for my application. 120 volts has a ground, a hot, and a neutral, and because I am grounded and there are exposed wires and circuitry here, there's the possibility that I would touch this circuitry or wires and experience an electrical short to ground through my body, which would be quite unpleasant. Perfect. What I need to do is cover this area, and I'll be using plexiglass. Sand in the place where it... Oh, man. Hi, I'm Mark Spandex, but you probably know me as the Whispering Woodland. Today, I'm going to share my most valuable secret with my fans. It's this. Here, take it. It'll change your life. Samurai! Oh, hey, it's Field Trip Friday here, and ninjas. Hey, I'm March Wilkerson, but you're probably more familiar with my younger sister. I'm just gonna pick all this up now. Hold on a second. That's plywood? Man, look at those curves. Look at that taper. That is one fine looking bucket. All joking aside, you guys have made some killer videos. If you like what you saw, subscribe. And if you know all the people that I parodied, hit me up on Instagram and I'll send you a prize. Thanks everyone.